I want you to really see this nice imagery we are putting between brands, people, institution, and how they are linked in the leadership quest.
I see the old notion of the brand as a mask.
Yeah.
That organizations
That's
work.
exactly what I wanted to ask you.
And the idea that it's an interchangeable mask. So the organization remains the same,
Yeah.
and I keep moving one mask and I substitute one for the other.
Yeah.
That's an old mental model of the brand, which is an external projection. But it's actually an ecological system.
Yeah.
And like any ecology, the interrelationships are critical. And it's a system.
Yeah.
So the brand may appear as an outside projection, but it's an entirely coherent, interlinked system. So you cannot, in any meaningful sense, change in a fundamental way what you are to the outside world without changing who you are within. It is, and so therefore that's the reason why it does need a pervasive change. And it can't simply be the fact that
There's an authenticity issue
There's an
there.
authenticity.
Yeah.
And in a sense, you will always get found out.
Yes.
You may succeed in the short term. You may have one sort of a great initiative that will see you through for a certain length of time. But eventually, without that being something deep and internal and real, something or the other you will get found out. And particularly in today's day and age, where you are being watched, through a million eyes, so to speak, it's impossible, increasingly difficult for you to come through as something that you're not.
So when Bezos says that customer is our obsession, right? Or when Disney says that we care for you and we are not just an entertainment kind of a thing, they should be internally living it out as well.
100%. I think it is Girish Karnad in an essay who mentioned, he said that there are he talked about two models of masks and their meaning. He said in the Western model of the mask is the mask as something that you're not, a disguise. He says the Indian notion, if you look at traditional dance forms and if you look at what the mask is used for, he said it is actually an amplification of what is real inside you.
The inner...
It is an magnification. So it is the inside made vivid and not the inside hidden.
So it's not a persona.
It is not a persona that you don't.
Greek.
No, it is not.
Yeah.
So I think that's an interesting way of looking at the brand today. The brand yesterday almost always, or in many cases, was what you were not.
Yeah.
What you profess to be.
Yeah.
Because you thought the other side wanted to hear.
It's more the ideal.
It is ideal or even less, at times just cynical. Or just the fact that I know what you want to hear.
Okay.
This is what you want to hear from me. So here I am saying all those nice things that you want to hear.
I dress it up.
What is consumer research? It is to figure out what do you want me to say.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So let me say those things. I mean, in a sense, that was a traditional model in a lot of cases. Increasingly now, if you now make this idea of an amplification of something that is real, I think, so the brand still needs to seduce you and to engage you and to interest you, but with something that is fundamentally true. It's a truth amplified.